y'all, so let's get right into this video. So starting off looking as raggedy as ever, but first we are going to lay these edges. This is my favorite combo, using this Gorilla Snot along with my legume jam. This is such a winning combination. It doesn't flake my hair, and these two combined give me such a really great hold. So I'm going in with the Gorilla Snot first and just applying that, and then I'm just gonna brush my hair all the way back. And to keep my hair in place, I'm just going to grab a wig cap, and that's really just used, to hold my hair down. And then next I'm gonna go with this legume jam. I love this stuff. I'm so happy that I kept using it and kept trying it. I only apply this to like literally my edges. Like, I don't go back into my hairline or anything. I put it right on my edges, and I do little swoops here and there. I typically don't do too much, especially when I'm doing like straight hair, but today I just wanted something a little bit more exaggerated, so do as you please. But this combination is amazing, you guys. You can find the Gorilla Snot pretty much anywhere, and the legume jam, I bought mine off of Amazon, which I'll link below, and I've also purchased it from Walmart, so you've got options there as well. So I'm just gonna bring that wig cap forward a little bit, like I said, just so that my hair doesn't start reverting, and just to keep it as flat as possible. And then from here, I'm just going to use my satin scarf and tie my hair down for about 5 to 10 minutes. Today I'm wearing this headband unit from Alipearl Hair, and this is their 20-inch kinky straight unit. I will say this kind of has more of a straighter feel versus kinky. It's definitely more kinky at the roots versus the ends, and they do come with 5 combs, so 3 at the top and then 2 at the bottom. And these combs are pretty small. They're not like this, you know, the typical wig combs, so just keep that in mind. So headband wigs are trending right now. Everybody's in love with them because they're just so easy to do, and you get a quick look with no glue, no lace to deal with, none of that stuff. All you're gonna do is just unsnap those combs in the front, and I typically just lay my wig where I want it to be, like what I'm doing right now, and then I just push the combs in like I'm doing right now again, and then you're just gonna snap them down, and that's pretty much it. And just make sure you snap the nape of your neck down as well, those clips back there, and you should be good to go. And then here in just 1 second, I'm just gonna turn around for you guys so that I can show you how to just pretty much close up this wig. You're just taking the 2 Velcro ends and just placing them on top of each other. Very easy, y'all, not much to it, and you got yourself like a look right here. So as you can see, this hair came super soft, super full, you guys, and I'm just gonna run the flat iron over it like really lightly. I didn't take it in small sections. I'm just using my double-sided brush right here, and I think my flat iron is on either 350 or 400. It may be on 400 because I'm doing like bigger sections, and I'm only going over this hair once, so just one pass and that's it. Even though this is kinky hair, it can get straighter as you put more heat on it, so just keep that in mind. I wouldn't want to ruin that, and honestly it can be. I've done it before a long time ago with just putting too much heat on a wig. So like I always say, whenever it comes to any texture wig, if you're going to wash it, or when you wash your hair, I always let all of my wigs air dry 100%, and then I'll go in with some type of heat. I never blow dry and then flat iron and do hot combs on top of that as well. To me, that's just too much heat, and it's just not necessary. So after I went on ahead and flat iron, I'm just taking my TG wax stick and just going through just the top just to make sure it was laying okay. I've noticed that a lot of these wigs kind of like, they lay a little bit funny at the top of my head, and I don't know if that's just like that my head shape, but I'm gonna see how this one lays once I wash it, because this is right out the bag. So I'm gonna wash it, wear it again, and then we'll see what's happening. But other than that, I love the texture texture, I love the feel of it, and I love how it looks just like this. So you do have options with this particular wig. You can wear the black headband as is, or you can pop this one on. I've never worn this kind of headband, you guys. So I was like, okay, it's kind of cute. But like I said, you can't just wear it like without anything, which I like as well. And then just showing you guys how it looks with just a different headband. And then I'm gonna throw it up in a ponytail so that you'll get a different feel on how the hair looks when it's, you know, up high, just in case you got those days where you're just running around and don't want any hair on your back or your neck or anything like that. I will say out of all of the wigs, the headband wigs that I've had so far, this one did the best up high in a ponytail. Typically they kind of stick out, like right here at the back you get this little hump, and this one wasn't too bad, and I did like the fullness of the hair that covered it as well. So just showing you a bun, and then next I'm gonna pull this hair back down, pop my little rhinestone headband on again, and just give you guys another quick braided style with the headband and without, just to switch it up again. So you've got plenty of options. I love this wig. I love Alipearl, so I love this wig. I love this hair. I will put everything down below in the description box for you guys. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to put them down below. You guys know I will answer you, or I will do my best. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll talk to you in my next one. Bye.